So I'm now on the python.org website, and you can see the Python standard library for Python version 2.7.5. So this is a list of modules that you can directly import from any Python that you have managed to install. So some of the modules you already know. For instance, I've already used datetime at some point. Some of the students have used RE for regular expressions and codecs for some of the previous homeworks. And there are quite a few packages, as you see. So fractions, for instance, we've already seen. Math as well. And random we've seen. Ether tools we'll see in a little while. So next week we'll see funct tools and operator. We've already used os.path, and shutil is for high-level file operations like copying files. We have used, you have used the tar file module to prepare a tar file to submit for the projects. There is the time module as well that's very useful. There is all kind of different modules, as you can see. Some to handle email, some to handle HTML and XML. URL lib that we'll see in a second to manipulate URL resources. There's stuff to manipulate audio files and images, and this might be interesting for projects. There is graphical user interfaces. There is doc test and unit test that we'll see in a while. PDB, the debugging tool. Some profilers that we'll see this week. And so on and so on. So some AST, which produces an abstract syntax tree from Python code itself. So you can see how Python will interpret its own code. PyCompile that I've used at some point to explain what Python was doing behind the scenes, and I used this at the same time. And formatter to format strings in the right output, in the right format, and so on and so on. So all kinds of different packages that you can use, and we'll see a few now. So this week.